Welcome to another security tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a new user to log into your server. By default, almost all of the servers come with a username root. So this is actually a very common username for a server. Hackers use brute force attempts to log in to the servers by they usually try to hack the server with uh, the root username. So we are going to actually disable the root, and we are going to add a new user so we can access the server through that username. So to do that, we are first going to add a new user. Let's use the add user command. ADDSUSER, and the name of, let's call it super. This is actually going to be the username. I'm calling it super. You can change it to whatever you like. Press enter. We have successfully created the new user, and now we are going to grant all of the root permissions so our user can access all of the files and make all of the changes on the server. And it is also asking for the password. Let's add your password for the new username and retype the password. You can also add the full name if you like, or you can just enter and skip all these things and press Y. Now we have created the user. Now we are going to grant root privileges to this newly created user called super. To do that, we are going to use the VISUDO. Press enter. Now we are inside the nano edit. We are going to add a new line right below the root. Here we are going to add our username, which is super, and then this all permissions, all, and brackets, all, space, all, just like the root one. So once you have done that, make sure you replace super with your username. Once you have done that, press the Ctrl O to save and Ctrl X to exit the nano editor. We have successfully created a new username, and now our username has the root privileges, so it can edit the files, and this is actually important. Without the root username, we can't do so much on our server, so we need to grant root privileges to the newly created user. Next time we will learn how to change the SSH port, and also we are going to disable the root username so hackers can't use that username to gain access to our server.